So recently, I got the Nerf Elite 2.0 stormcharge. Now let me tell you this. This thing is almost perfect in my opinion. You can spin it. You have removable attachments. Oh, let's drop one. And it's very tactical. But it also came in with the first ever non-banana magazine 10-round mag. Now, if you just want a quality Elite 2.0 blaster with a very comfortable grip and, well, has a weird magazine that can fit 10 darts in it, and, well, and the attachments are not too useful, and just looks like a mini rapid strike, then this is what it is. There we go. Let's get that out of here. Now, here's what it is in its original form. It looks like a mini rapid strike because it is. It's basically a rapid strike, but small and semi-auto. You could technically say it's a strife, but this more looks like a, a rapid strike. And I'm not sure if me and Alex are the only one who caught this, but you can actually still use the blaster even though the jam door is down. I'm not kidding. Sure, no one would probably do that, but still, it's a pretty nice feature. And yeah, this is worth your time on buying. Do you really have to, rush into your local Walmart and get this? No, I recommend you reading the reviews first before you buy a blaster. But I'm sure that this really has a comfortable grip. It's a pretty good primary, if you want to be James Bond. And I feel like that this is a really good blaster to buy. And I feel like that this blaster is almost perfect for Elite 2.0 standards. The Elite 2.0 Wild Edition Stormcharge has got to be the best blaster on the line, besides the Motor Blitz. But still, I just love this blaster so much. Why can't I just... There we go. Ow. See you guys later.